She is from San Francisco, California. Here is tonight's #1 contender, Kacee Carlisle. And she is from Hackettstown, New Jersey. She is the reigning and defending DCW Divas of Dynamite Women's Champion, Deonna Purrazzo.
One fall match for the DCW Divas of Dynamite Women's Championship. There's the belt held high. Audience participation rate here. I think Kacee Carlisle has the backing of our fans here in Milford, David.
Yeah, she does. You know, she's a tough girl. She's been around the circuit a long time. A lot of successes. Maybe tonight, one of those bell-ringing moments of her career.
She certainly has had a lot of success. Again, a former DCW Women's Champion. She's also held the NWA Women's Championship a number of years ago and defended it right here in DCW.
And, you know, of course, Deonna Purrazzo has been featured on national television, Ring of Honor. I believe she was in WWE NXT.
Yes, she has been. Yes. An interesting contest here as these two lock up. And again, women's wrestling in general has definitely been taken up a notch on the national level, as we're seeing it in all the promotions, as well as here in Dynamite Championship Wrestling.
Absolutely, absolutely. I got to tell you, though, I think even when people were critical of the WWE Divas, a lot of those girls can really work, too. Melina, Beth Phoenix, Gail Kim, Mickie James. There's been a lot of women's wrestling talent over the past 15 years featured at the national level. TNA Knockouts the same way. And as we talked about Deonna Purrazzo and Ring of Honor, as her career continues to advance.
Again, showing some great chain wrestling here.
One thing I know about Kacee Carlisle, she's not going down easily tonight.
She's not.
Deonna's got some experience. She's the champion. But boy, she's in there with a girl who literally is the #1 contender.
These two not giving an inch. Head scissors. Kacee's going to try to roll out of it, and she does. Back into that headlock. Kacee in control right now, but only for a moment. Again, now Deonna with a side headlock. Inside headlock, takedown. Referee checking in. Got a 1 count.
One last point, Jay, on Kacee Carlisle. Taking the listeners a little bit behind the curtain. She is as intense as any female wrestler I've been around from the minute she walks into the gym till the minute she gets in the ring. Even backstage in the locker room, very to herself, very focused, very focused. Even more so tonight with the title on the line.
And Kacee Carlisle right now taking to the champion. Started to pick up that pace. And Esteem got caught with a boot. Coming in. And now a clothesline by our champion. Takes down the #1 contender. Rake in the face there by the champion. She can play dirty as well.
Absolutely.
Now cutting off the oxygen of Kacee on that bottom rope.
And she should play dirty. Champions should play dirty to keep their belt. That's what it's about, winning the gold, Jay, right?
Got to hold on to it. Now Deonna in control.
You want that winner's share of the purse.
Bringing home the bacon. Got to pay those bills. They keep sending the mail. Forearm shot right to Kacee Carlisle now. Here's a whip off the ropes. Trying to sunset flip now. 1, 2. He's able to roll out. But got caught with a clothesline coming in. Headbutt now. Oh, big chop. Dave, have you ever taken a chop before?
Not like that, my goodness. I wouldn't be sitting here with you, Jay, if I would.
The only chop I ever took was a pork chop at the buffet. Here comes Deonna now. Misses. Now there's a chop of Kacee's on her. Returning the favor.
Very important, though. You're right. Big chops, but legal blows.
Legal blows.
Legal blows.
And she's taking it to the champion in the corner. Snapmare out.
This is the first match in months that Deonna has had any kind of competition like this.
And a 2 count. Deonna questioning the official here. Now going right back to the challenger. Series of knees to the back. Right in that kidney area. Could do some serious damage. And that clothesline's not going to help. Lateral thrust once more. Kacee was able to get her shoulder up. Forearm shot again by the champion. Here's a whip. Oh, caught her in the midsection with a big boot. And a knee this time. Side Russian leg sweep. And a 2 count. Referee right on it. The fans getting behind Kacee Carlisle here now. Fireman's carry, pick up now. The champion in trouble. Kacee's got her. Samoan drop. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute. Here's Damian Adams out here. What's he doing out here?
Chris Wilde.
Chris Wilde's out here. All hell's broken loose. These two now exchanging blows. Watch out now. Here comes Chris Wilde with the baseball slide. He's getting Adams out of here.
That's going to be ramifications, isn't there? Ramifications for Chris Wilde because he got involved in a match tonight. We have to wait to hear from David Klein.
Yes.
He may have given up his spot in next month's big Rumble for Glory.
He wasn't supposed to be out here.
I know he's hot, but he may have cost himself.
He might have, but in the meantime, he got rid of Adams. Schoolboys, 1, 2. boom!
With the schoolboy.
We almost had a new champion.
Big forearm by the champ.
The fans at ringside getting hostile. Here comes Deonna. Misses. Kacee now. Setting her up. And DDT. She hooked her. Hooks the leg. 1, 2, 3. We have a new champion.
New champion.
We have a new champion.
Here is your winner, and the new DCW Divas Women's Champion,
Kacee Carlisle has done it. She has captured the gold here in Dynamite Championship Wrestling.
Big upset. That was a big upset.
It certainly was a big upset. Didn't expect that.
Women's champion. That was a big upset. Everybody's so proud of Kacee Carlisle.
And there it is. There's the title. And she gets the Duke. Here comes Chris Watt out there to congratulate her as well. What a proud moment for that young lady.